Hello again, welcome back to my creative African cooking channel. I am Grace Annabelle. In today's video I'm coming up with my jollof rice based stew recipe. This is a flavor pack stew recipe. When I say flavor, you know me and my flavors. Hey, don't go there. Me flavors na I am going to infuse flavors right now, guys. So let's get started. Here I have 6 cups of my tomato sauce. I have a video on how to make that tomato sauce. I'm using 3 scotch bonnet peppers, a piece of ginger, 6 onions. Here I have calabash nutmeg or African nutmeg, 1 shrimp cube, and then a teaspoon of aniseed. Here I have 2 onions diced, which I will be frying in my oil. 1 fresh rosemary, it's just a strand of rosemary, okay? Some sunflower oil, you can use any oil of your choice. 2 tablespoons of tomato paste or tomato puree. Here I have a teaspoon of cumin, a pinch of salt to taste, and I'm also using some herbs. So here I have oregano, I have basil, I have thyme. I will be using half a tablespoon each. All right, so let's get started. In my pot or saucepan, I'll add my oil. Okay, and then I'll leave the oil to heat up. This is where the infusion of flavors is going to take place. Now I've added my rosemary and the cumin to my oil. What am I doing now? I am infusing the flavors and the spice into my oil. Yes, you see? That's what I mean by flavor pack jollof rice based stew. Okay, so I'll fry this in the oil for about 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I will then add my diced onions. Give this a good stir and leave it to fry for 5 minutes. So while my rosemary, cumin, and onions is in the oil frying, I'll also roast my aniseed and the calabash nutmeg or African nutmeg in a frying pan. I'll roast this for about 20 seconds. Why am I roasting it? I'm doing this to release the flavors in it. Now I will add that to my veggies, which is the onion, the ginger, yes, and the pepper. I'll blend this into a smooth paste. Right, so there it is. Okay, so yes, I'll go back and check on my onions, rosemary, and then the cumin. Okay, so this has been in the oil frying for 5 minutes. So now I'm adding my blended veggies and spice to this. I will then give it a good stir, leave it to cook for about 10 minutes. See, yes, this is flavor pack. Flavors upon flavors, yes. All right, so after 10 minutes, I'll add my tomato paste or puree. Give this a good stir and leave it to cook for 10 minutes. I'll come back and check on my stew. So look at that, my stew is really cooking nicely. At this point, I'm going to add my tomato sauce to it, all right? So yes, I'll add that and then give it a good stir. Now my jollof rice based stew will be ready soon. It's not going to take long. Why? Because I have already cooked my tomatoes. I have simmered that to reduce the juice in it. Okay, so yes, my stew will be ready in the next 10 minutes. All right, look at that. It looks so beautiful, isn't it? Yes, my stew is cooking nicely. At this point, I'm going to add my salt and the remaining spices to it. Give it a good stir and leave it on a low heat for 5 minutes because my stew is almost done. As after 5 minutes, this is how my jollof rice based stew looks like. Oh my god, I like the flavor in my kitchen, the aroma in my kitchen right now. Yes, now my jollof rice based stew is ready. This is so easy and simple to make. When you have this stew, your jollof rice doesn't take long to cook, long to get ready because you've already skipped this process. So try and make this and keep it, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you again in my next one. Bye.